Hi, dear aspirants, welcome to Aspire Defense. Okay, so have you seen this picture before? Okay, this is a viral picture from the Republic Day Parade celebrations 2026. So this officer is from Indian Army, RVC. Okay, Renowned Veterinary Corps. You can see that this dog is also there, right? So in this video, I'm going to discuss an important notification that is Indian Army RVC entry 2026. Okay, RVC entry 2026 Renowned Veterinary Corps. Okay, this is for veterinary doctors. Okay, male and female veterinary doctors can apply for this entry. This is a short service commission entry, but uh, they are eligible for the permanent commission also. Anyway, we will discuss all these things. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to decode all the details mentioned in the notification. Okay, so we can move on to the next slide. Okay, so this is the notification. Okay, so this is the 95th course. Okay, they have released the notification for the 95th course of RVC, Renowned Veterinary Corps. Okay, so the applications are invited from qualified married, unmarried male veterinary graduates and female veterinary graduates for the short service commission entry of Renowned Veterinary Corps. Okay, before that, this is our proud student, Dr. Sachidanandan, okay, who got recommended last year by the RVC entry in 2025 entry. Okay, now he's a captain in the Indian Army, RVC, okay, Renowned Veterinary Corps. So he got recommended in 2025. Now he's commissioned, he completed the training, and now he's in the rank of captain. Now he's Captain Dr. Sachidanandan. Okay, so that's it. So if you are a veterinary doctor, you are also eligible for this entry. You can become like Dr. Sachidanandan. Okay. So next is age limit. Okay. So if you are a veterinary doctor and your age is between 21 to 32 years, then you are eligible for this entry. Okay, some terms and conditions is also there. We can look onto that. So, okay, the first one is you have completed Bachelor of Veterinary Science. Okay, graduation. Second thing, this is a short service commission entry. But you are joining and you are commissioning at the time of commissioning. Okay, you are below 30 years of age, then you are eligible for the permanent commission. Okay, more condition is there. You have to clear the department permanent commission exam. Okay, then you will eligible for the permanent commission. And if you are holding the Master of Veterinary Science degree, postgraduate degree, then you are eligible for the permanent commission. Okay, so these are the things for age limit. Okay, so 21 to 32, and if you are at the time of commissioning now, you are below the age of 30 years, then you are eligible for the permanent commission. And if you are holding Master of Veterinary Science postgraduate degree, then you are eligible for the permanent commission. Okay. Next is educational qualification. That is, a candidate must possess Bachelor of Veterinary Science degree from any of the recognized Indian university. That is the basic educational qualification for this recruitment. Okay, so if you are a veterinary doctor, must apply for this entry. You can become an officer in the Indian Army. Okay, the prestigious rank of captain. Okay, so that's it. So how to apply? How to apply for this entry? Okay, so you can see that Indian Army official website www.joinIndianArmy.nic.in. This is the official website of Indian Army. So you can go through this website and you can see that profile creation page is there. You can create your profile and you can apply for this entry. Okay, so the deadline and all we will discuss in the next slides. Okay, so the next part is the most important part of this video, that is selection procedure, how to get into RVC. Okay, so the first procedure is initial screening conducted by the Director General of Renowned Veterinary Corps. Okay, so the Director General of Renowned Veterinary Corps will shortlist you based on your aggregate graduation percentage. Okay, if you are shortlisted, the next procedure is SSB interview, the most important part of the selection procedure, that is SSB interview. SSB interview is a personality test. It's a 5 days procedure conducted by the various boards in India. Okay, so the first day is screening test, second day is psychology test, day 3 and day 4 is GTO, group testing officer task. Okay, some auto task is there, and in between one personal interview is there, one-on-one interview with the interviewing officer, and final day, that is conference day. Okay, so what is the foundation of this SSB interview? That is officer-like qualities, 15 officer-like qualities. Okay, so this is the most important part, that is SSB. After getting recommended by the SSB, then you will be having a medical test, then final merit list. So these are the 4 selection procedures. Okay, so how to prepare for the SSB interview? So we will decode that in the next slide. So now Aspire Defense is presenting our SSB interview mentorship program. It's a personalized mentorship program, okay, headed by Anirudh sir, who is a UPSC CDS or India rank holder who got recommended by the SSB multiple times. Okay. So now we are going to start a new batch for the RVC entry. Okay, if you are a veterinary doctor and you are looking to join the RVC core, you can contact us. The number is 7034561234. Okay, you can contact on this WhatsApp number. The same number we have put on the description box also. Okay, so many students, many candidates got selected by various boards in India, our proud students. Okay, so you can see that results in our website. Okay, so if you're interested, you can join. You can contact us now. You will get the program details. Okay. So we're continuing the notification. Next is training terms and conditions for the service. Okay. So once you selected by the service selection board interview after medical test, after final merit list, you will join the prestigious RVC training college that is in Meerut. Okay, for the training, commissioning training. Okay, 4 months training at RVC College, Meerut. Okay, after 4 years, you will be commissioned in the rank of captain. Okay, that's the most important, beautiful thing in this entry. Okay, because if you're taking any other entries like NDA, CDS, TGC, SSC Tech, Indian Army 10+2 technical entry scheme, okay, they are going to join in the rank of lieutenant. Okay, 2 stars in their shoulder. But here, okay, you can see in RVC entry, they are directly joining as a captain. Okay, 3 star in their shoulder. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, so if you're a veterinary doctor, you are dreaming to join the defense services, then it's the best option. Okay. So the last date for the submission of application, the most important part. Okay, the application will be closed on 18th May 2026. Okay, so please submit your application as soon as possible. Okay, how to apply? www.joininthearmy.nic.in. This is the official website. Please go through this website and create the profile, and you can submit your application. Okay, before 18th May. Okay. So we have started new RVC batch. Okay, you can join our SSB interview mentorship program. You can contact us on 7034561234. Okay, the official notification we have already uploaded in our Telegram channel. You can see that Telegram channel link on the description box. Okay, you can join our Telegram channel. Okay, you will get all the materials related to defense exams and all. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, now in this video we have discussed about the RVC entry, and in the coming videos we will discuss more things. Okay, about new notifications, defense entries, selection procedure, everything. Okay, so you can subscribe our channel. Okay, Jai Hind.